How to share a site from Google Chrome to your WhatsApp. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share a site news from your Google Chrome to your WhatsApp. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. Now go to your Google Chrome, and for example, let's choose one of those. For example, the first one. All I need to do is click on the share icon, and here click on those 3 points, which is more, and you have your WhatsApp. Just click on it and they're gonna share this site news to your WhatsApp, and choose your specific friends or groups, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to like.